is Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I am here to introduce you to the December quarterly card kit selection, and I'm so excited. Christmas is over. Everybody feels a little bit let down, but I am here to cheer you up with a fabulous card kit. We are going to be using Stamperia Alice Through the Looking Glass collection. And look at this. I mean, this is going to be such a fun card kit, people. We are just going to have the best time putting this together and making whimsical cards. And I have a fun little folio idea. These are going to be great for gifting. These are going to be great for decorating. Look at these images. Happy unbirthday. Fabulous. We're just going to have a really good time with this kit, and I cannot wait to dig in. So you're going to get the 12 by 12 paper pad that has 10 double-faced sheets. And then we're going to get the background, 8 by 8 background, which is so wonderful to have for card making. And just adding all those wonderful layers. And this, we don't have to choose between, do we want to use the image or the background? So that's going to come in real handy. Then look at this, y'all. We're getting the package of die cuts. And look at all of these fabulous die cuts. We've got pocket watches and mushrooms and owls and Alice and Humpty Dumpty. We've got the door. We've got this fabulous clock. We've got keys, chess pieces, sentiments. I'm telling you, we're going to have fun. And we're going to do something a little different this time. These are going to be, we're going to make a lot of cards that are easy to mail. So our embellishments are pretty flat this time, but that doesn't mean boring. So you're also going to get 4 sheets of 12 by 12 cardstock for making our bases, and an additional 3 sheets of black, lightweight. This is probably about 65-pound paper that we're going to use for mechanisms and matting. You're going to get 2 yards of black and white baker's twine and 2 yards of burlap string. I just put mine on these little spools for when I'm working. You're going to get this wonderful shaker mix because we're going to make 2 slimline shaker cards. These are going to be really fun. You're going to get 6 of these lovely little taupe flowers. They go on flat, so you still get the interest, but they don't take as much dimension. And then 4 beige doilies. Wait till you see these. Look at these wooden heart buttons. Are these not so cute? So we're going to have these in our kit. And then last but not least, the teacup, a pocket watch, and look at this little playing card enamel die. Too cute for words. So this is what we're going to do in the kit. And this is my quarterly subscription kit. If you're not subscribed, you need to go to Button Farm Club and subscribe, because those who are subscribed are guaranteed to get a kit. You can purchase the kit without having a subscription, but you're not guaranteed to get it unless you're subscribed. So I hope you are ready to have some fun. I'll be back in a minute to show you the wonderful designs that we're going to make with Alice Through the Looking Glass. All right, guys, this is what we're making this month. And this, I know I say this every time, but this is one of my favorite card kits. It's easy to mail, but they're very kinetic and interesting at the same time. So we're going to start by making 2 6x6 step easel cards. And these have such a dramatic presentation. They flip like this, then they open like this, and they will stand up on a desk for display. If you love Alice, like everybody loves Alice, and then there's a little gift card pocket on the inside, fully decorated. So cute. Then they fold like this for mailing, and you actually have place on the back. You just have to add a little piece of your own cardstock on the back for a sentiment panel. So here's the second one. I just love the way these open. They are so fun. They're so fun, and they look really complicated, but they're not. They're really easy. So there's your gift card pocket here. These papers are just gorgeous. So the next thing we make are, no, I think the next thing we did was our pop-up cards. These are 4x6 and they look very simple, but look, how hilarious is that? And these also have a gift card pocket on the inside. These images just, I had so much fun making this kit. Here's our Humpty Dumpty. And there he is sitting on the wall. And there's a little Humpty Dumpty chipboard bookmark. So these make great little gifts. Here's a masculine card in the mix. How great is that? So this one also, little chess pieces, a little chess tag in there, room for a gift card. So cute. Then we did shaker easel cards, and these are massive. These are 9.5 by, I think, 4. So they're really big, really fun playing card shakers. This has the big chipboard clock, a little clock flower. And then inside, you've got your, these are made for display. You could add a gift card pocket. No, I don't think you could. I think these are just for cute. And then, of course, you can write your message on the back. These are so fun. I can see these being displayed in a craft room or a den or an office desk. They're just so fun. Happy unbirthday to you. This is great for somebody who's having a bad day. And there's Alice with her cake. I'm going to show you how to make buttons, which is so cool. There's the inside of that one. And of course, these fold. Then the next thing we make, this is really fun. This is a little birthday folio. It's got a little string tie, little bumped up cover, and then inside you've got double pockets with these accordion calendar pullouts. So you can, on the back, write birthdays and keep track of all the birthdays through the year. So these just tuck into the pockets. You can give these as a gift. You can keep this on your desk so that when you do like I do we have a birthday this month? So that's just really super cute. And I wanted to show you a way that you can use those calendars because everybody always struggles with those. They don't know what to do with them, but I think they're fun. And then just a little baker's twine closure here. Super cute. And then the next thing we did, this is probably my favorite thing that we make. This is an interactive kinetic folio. So here's our dimensional cover, and then it opens like this, and the fun starts on the very first page with all kinds of pullouts and flaps and just all the things that make for a really fun adventure. And this is designed to be a lap book. So like I said, pull-ups, flaps, flips, and there's a little bit of room for photos in here if you wanted to. Look at this, guys. Double pop-up page. How fun is that? And then this goes this way. And this page, I think you're going to be excited because no one ever knows what to do with these 12 by 12 pages. And we just used them. How cool is that? Not hard to do either once you know how. Here's a fun little page with a lift up and a little dimensional Humpty up here at the top and Alice. So this one made me laugh. This one was so fun. I laughed the whole time I was making it. It was just such a fun little ditty. So that's my favorite one this time. And I know it's a card kit, but you could give this as a card to somebody who loves Alice. It's so cute. And then last but not least, I show you what to do with all those bits and bobs of scraps to make a really cool looking collage background. These are gift tag holders. Here are the fronts, and then on the back, now you don't get the tea and the honey stick. I just wanted to show you an idea. This pocket, you can put a tea, a honey stick, get these little silver tasting spoons. What a sweet little last minute gift. And look at these little charms. We've got a little tiny pocket watch and this little tiny playing card guy. So, 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 so cute. So that is the kit. This is a subscription kit. So if you're subscribed to my quarterly card kit, you will automatically receive these. You don't have to do anything. If you're not subscribed, now's a great time to subscribe because subscribers are guaranteed a kit. And if there are kits left over after all the subscriptions are sent out, you can purchase a kit as well. So that's it for me, Kathy by Design, ending the year with a bang, a really fun send off to 2021, moving into 2022 with Alice in Wonderland Through the Looking Glass. So thanks, guys. Order your kit today at Button Farm Club, and thanks for your support. I'll see you soon. Bye.